Hello, my name is Sky from Crewe Motor Match, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. We are delighted to introduce to you this Mini Clubman Cooper D Auto with a 2-litre diesel engine and an impressive list of factory fitted extras, some of which include the upgraded roof and mirror caps, enhancing this car's black paint, as well as the darkened rear glass, adding to not only the looks of the car but the security, and the 17-inch net spoke silver alloys, finishing off the exterior beautifully. More factory fitted extras include the LED headlights and daytime running lights, ensuring maximum vision of the road at all times, as well as the chili pack, rear parking controls and comfort access systems. To the rear of the car we have this spacious boot with the double opening doors. We have the retractable parcel shelf and the variable boot floor, giving you additional room for shopping and luggage when needed. Moving on to the interior of the car, we have 3 full-size seats in the back with a pull-down armrest in the middle with built-in cup holders and ISOFIX points on the outside seats. We have the beautiful upgraded black pearl cloth and carbon black leatherette, which is paired beautifully with the anthracite headlining and eye-catching Mini Yours interior style pure burgundy illuminated inserts. Adding comfort to every drive, the front seats are also heated. On the dash, we have the Mini Yours sports leather steering wheel. This is also multifunction, helping you safely and easily control the cruise control with brake function, as well as the infotainment device features. For all of your infotainment needs, we have the Mini infotainment system, featuring the likes of Bluetooth connectivity with hands-free function, adding safety to every drive, as well as allowing you to listen to all your favourite playlists. We also have DAB digital radio, giving you access to a wider range of radio stations, satellite navigation for all those unknown roads, Mini Connect and other car settings. Just below we have the dual climate controls function, ensuring both you and your front seat passenger are always comfortable, as well as the 3-way heated seats controls. As you can see here, we also have the stop-start toggle. Just in between, we have the automatic gear stick as well as the cup holders for both yourself and your front seat passenger, the infotainment device control panel as well as the electronic handbrake, and just underneath the armrest we also have additional storage space. RAC warranty is available on this vehicle. For more information or to arrange a test drive, please call us on 01270 864408 or inquire online now. Thank you.